Eager to open your online school but not sure how to attract new students? Well, I'm Shushan from Uteach, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 valuable tips for attracting new students to your online classes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Tip number 1, target the platforms your potential students are using every day. For this, try to identify the people you want to reach. This can be based on demographics such as location, behavior, income level, education, etc. etc. After visualizing your target group, find the best platforms or even people who will be spreading a word about your online school. Tip number 2, hook them with a good starting offer. Grab their attention. How? Give discount or free trial, or even you can give access to free videos in a paid course so they can watch and think, wow, this is the very course I need. Tip number 3, tell your students what they are going to learn. Is this course right for me? When people come to your course page, they should automatically understand what the course is about and who is for and what they will learn. So write about it in the course description. Tip number 4, share success stories. It could be great motivation for your potential students, so they can see that your method works and you care about your students even after courses. Tip number 5, build a sense of community. Starting online might seem a bit isolating, so consider ways to help your students eliminate that feeling by creating a community of like-minded people with similar interests. It could be a Slack community, Facebook group, or chat. You can even organize a video call or even one-to-one coffee break, so your students will get to know each other and you. That's all. Type in the comment section which tip you liked more and we will film a separate video about it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are interested in e-learning, course creation, digital entrepreneurship, and so much more. We upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. Also, check the description field to find useful links. See you!